Ever tried to bend RIO before? It's a pain in the you know what. Well, I'm going to show you how to make up a tool from scrap. So what you're going to need is a piece of wood, preferably hardwood, just under 1 metre. Bit of angle line, 60-70 centimetres long. Just a bit of pipe, as long as it's big enough to fit the 12mm RIO in. And it's got a bit of length on it too. Some screws, some bolts with screws and washers on the end of it, around 70-80mm long. And the tools that you're going to need: sander, but that's optional, Phillips head, a file maybe, some drills, and obviously your drill, and a 13mm socket for these bolts. All right, it's time we go and start having a crack. I'm just going to do a quick tidy up on this piece of wood so I don't get any splinters in my fingers later on. So this part's optional as well, but you'll see why I'm doing it now when I'm finished. Get your right angle, place it wherever you like. I'm just going to put it around there, and I'm just going to trace a straight line at the end of the angle line. Now I'm going to set up my table saw to the same measurement as that line, and I'm going to lift the blade up 2mm, which is the height of that angle line. Now we're going to trim out that 2mm area using the table saw blade. So it should look like that. Now we're just going to drill out some holes. Now we're going to screw this angle line onto this piece of wood. So now we're going to get this RIO bar. We're going to stick it there. We're going to get one of these bolts and we're going to drill it and stick it in here. But what we need to do first is mark it out so we know exactly where it goes. Now it's time to secure that bolt in, and then we're ready to rip. So the reason why I've done this cutout is because it's the same thickness of the inside of this pipe. So when you lay it there, it runs a straight edge. So when you put your RIO in there, it'll stay straight and flush, so when you bend it, it won't go wonky. Let's just see if this is going to work. Now what you do is, now I've got to bend that along that pipe, and that's why I've got this. So if I bend this now, my table's on wheels, so I've just got to lock them. Well, there you go, she works. How good's that? So I've got a 10mm RIO bar here, and I'm going to bend it 3 times. So we're going to do a 10mm bend, put this pipe right on the end here. Now we're going to do a 40mm bend. Make sure you keep that flat. Now let's just do another 40mm bend, because I've got to actually make this up anyway. And this one I'm going to do about 45. So there you go. You want to make one of these pipe benders, that's all you got to do. Got any scrap wood, bit of angle iron, some nuts and bolts, something to secure it tightly down onto, like vice grips onto a table like I've done here. You can make one of these, and just to prove that that is very strong, I also done a 12mm RIO Bender as well, 400 by 400 by 400. So there you go. Apologies for the mess around here, but I am doing a bench build over there, and I'm also now doing a dry creek riverbed build out the front. So if you want to see those projects, go onto my channel, have a look at them. They're pretty good, I reckon. All right, see you later.